Hey guys, what's going on? We're back with another video. But before we get started, guys, make sure you thumbs up this video. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe so you can get more videos just like this. Oh, guys, also check out our description, right? We have all of the things that you need to get in contact with us right in the description. We got our Amazon link. Well, we actually go live. It's called Amazon Live. So follow us on Amazon. The link is in the description. We have our donation and we have our community and all those things right in the description. So make sure you check that out. All right. So let's get going. All right. So today I got another sandwich. Yesterday was like a grilled sandwich, but today is a fried chicken sandwich, homemade fried chicken sandwich right here, guys. Look at that. Look at that cheese. Oh, did I forget to tell you it's cheese on this? Yeah. So I can't wait to dig into this. So, yesterday I talked about getting sleep, right? The batter on this is really good. Yesterday I talked about getting sleep and the benefits of sleep and weight loss, sleep and energy level, the sleep and general health. So check out that other video. But today we're going to talk about sodium. Today we're going to talk about sodium. Well, before we get into that, let me dig into the sandwich because I sure am hungry. And the cheese, guys, is so stretchy. I'm sorry, I gotta show you this. Look at that. Look at that. That is so good. There's nothing like a good fried chicken sandwich. A good homemade fried chicken sandwich. It's nothing like it. So let me dig into that again. So, first of all, how you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. I know you guys are busy. We have a busy life and everything. If you guys are like me, you work pretty much all day long. So, got some greens, spinach, and onion mix. So, if you guys are like me, you work all day long. Oh, let me show you this again. Got some spinach, brown rice, and onions in here. We don't cook our onions all the way, all the time. Sometimes we actually let them stay crunchy so you can still have some of the nutrients. Onions are like, if you guys don't know this, onions are like in the garlic family. Those two are like kinfolk. If you guys know what that means. Kinfolk. So, they're really good. And the fresher the better. So, if you cook them, sometimes you get rid of some of the nutrients. Sometimes. But it's best to eat them raw. But, no, I'm busy from sun up to sundown. Doing something. If you guys don't know about me, I program. I like to program here and there. And I also like the game. Shout out to my gaming community. What's going on? Shout out to the Mortal Kombat fans out there. If I have any Mortal Kombat fans in here, type it up in the chat. But, yeah, I'm busy all day long. Very rarely get a chance to rest. And when I was younger, I had an issue with blood pressure. I struggled with blood pressure. And so I went through a phase when I was blood pressure issues. I had blood pressure issues throughout for a long time, but I went through a phase. Before I had the issues, my blood pressure used to be always low, right? And then I went through a stage where it was high. But let's get back to the salt, right? So I would take so many different things to like lower my blood pressure. I don't know if you guys are on medicines for blood pressure, but I wasn't on medicine. So I was doing everything natural to lower my blood pressure, right? Everything natural to lower my blood pressure. This sandwich is so good. I mean, I was drinking water. I was juicing, using certain things that we tell the people in our community to eat to help lower your blood pressure. I was doing all those things, and so my blood pressure was low, right? But what I didn't do, what I didn't realize, because I was doing everything to make my blood pressure low, I felt like I didn't have enough energy. And so what I didn't realize at the time was that, well, let me say this. I'm getting to it, okay? I'm getting to it. Okay, if you take everything to lower your blood pressure, you're just not going to have any energy, right? That's just it. It just sums it up right there. If you take everything to lower your blood pressure, you're not going to have energy. What I thought was I didn't have energy because my blood pressure was so low, right? What I know now is that because I was taking everything to lower my blood pressure, my sodium to potassium ratios were off. I'm going to let you marinate on that. While I take a bite out of this good sandwich. Excuse me. It was so good. My sodium to potassium ratios were off. Which means I had everything to make me calm. My blood pressure was low. I'm talking about like 100 over like 70, 100 over 65. My blood pressure was low. All natural, by the way. But I didn't have any energy. And how could I? My blood pressure was so low, right? My body actually reflected why I didn't have energy. My blood pressure was low. So, you know, I realized that you need a balance between sodium, potassium, and magnesium, all those different nutrients. I'll say the magnesium and potassium calms you. So if you guys ever buy, you know, supplements, there's this brand called Calm. You can check it out on our favorite things, which is in the description. Make sure you follow us on Amazon. Magnesium and potassium actually calms you. Which is very important in your daily life. But sodium has a role also. So if you're taking everything to get rid of sodium, to lower your blood pressure, your sodium is going to be off. And sodium is involved in muscle contraction, right? Energy level. The signals being transferred throughout your whole body. So recently, and this is for you guys who follow me through the end, I realized that you have to balance that out. And I have so much energy. So this is good news for you guys, right? You can have some fun food. You can have the chicken sandwich smothered with cheese. You can have the potato chip from now and then. But the key is to balance it. Can anybody say in the chat, moderation? We're on the moderation diet. Right? We're on the moderation diet. Hold on. Hold on, guys. Jenna wants me to show her numbers. Now, this may be backwards. I don't know. You tell me if you can see it. It's 109 over 71. Heart rate 82? No, 85. So 109 over 71, heart rate 85. No medicines with our moderation diet. So you guys, you can have fun. You can have your fun food. You guys, you just have to find that balance that's for you. So guys, it's been fun. Oh, hold on. I just forgot. I forgot my fruit. Gotta have balance. So I just had a cheesy chicken breast sandwich, rice with spinach and fresh onions, and now I'm gonna have a piece of fruit. All right, check this out, guys. I don't know if you guys can see this. Let's see if we get some good light on this. This is actually cantaloupe. Check out the seeds on that. Look at that. This is fresh cantaloupe. All right. And what we do is we actually, I don't know if you guys have bought a cantaloupe before, but what we do is we actually buy it, right? And we prepare it, right? Meaning we cut it up and we put it in the refrigerator in containers. And we just snack off this, right? Sometimes we freeze it and put it in our smoothies. All right. Okay. This is actually good for your blood pressure, amongst other things. Cantaloupe. So. I even eat some of the seeds. You guys are looking at me weird for eating the seeds. It's sort of like pumpkin seeds, right? Think of it like pumpkin seeds or watermelon seeds. This thing right here is so good, so full of nutrients, fiber. Look at the color, the nice color. I don't know if it's coming off, but it's got a nice orange color, which makes me think it has some good nutrients like maybe beta carotene. Alright guys, it's been fun. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. Follow us on all of our things listed in the description. And I hope you guys learned something.